What's up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video. Alright, what's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. Got the car sitting under the shed right now. So I'm sure most of y'all know there's a big winter storm moving through the south right now, and it's already icing everything up. So we're gonna move the car out so we don't get stuck in here. If it ices over like they've been saying it will, it's gonna be impossible to get this car out. So hopefully we just go ahead and put it in the grass. That way we keep it from getting stuck. But with that being said, I'm gonna give y'all a cold start because it's like 25, 28 degrees right now. So let's go and start the car, get it moved, and then we'll see what tomorrow brings. If it's snow, ice, I guess we'll just have to wait to see. But I plan to bring y'all a good bit of content this video. Whatever we do, I think we're gonna have fun. So with that being said, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and thank y'all for tuning in once again. Let's get this cold start. That's all I can do without my parents getting mad, so. But I'm just gonna show y'all what the ice is looking like right now. Here's where we're at with it right now. I mean, oh my gosh, bro. All right, but like over here, as we go a little bit out here, it's dry. So we're gonna park in the grass. But I mean, like right here, bro, it's just straight. Where's my super suit? Bro, just so y'all know how cold it is. Bro, it is freezing outside. It's been a while since it's been this cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and move for us real quick. Yeah, it's freezing, bro. It's freezing. Oh, that just absolutely screwed us, bro. That's perfect. Got the car moving a little bit. That's what matters. Had it just running a little bit, keeping it healthy. So it's currently in the grass, but yeah, I think this is fun. This will be good. All right, YouTube. Currently just wandering the road a little bit. It is the next day. I mean, bro, it's not even snow. It's literally ice. Bro, there's people driving right now. What are we doing? So yeah, I checked on the Mustang. The Mustang's fine. It's just sitting out there. It's froze up. Definitely not getting it out because this is not snow. This is ice. So we'll leave her put. Probably just hang out in the snow and just chill and have like a little snow day. So I'm actually kind of excited. We don't really get to do this much. So all blessings to God. We get to get out here and have a good time and have fun and enjoy the beauty and whatever season it is. Whoa, hang on. But yeah.
So much scarier as a passenger.
No, yeah, it definitely is. What are we in, four-wheel?
Yeah, right here. Don't go down here, there's a tree down. Alright, that's what's up. My shirt soaked.
What?
Soaking wet, dude.
Let's go. I can't hear anything. Dang, so much fun.
Dude, it's almost,
Huh?
it's almost like I've been crawling through a river.
Bro, my foot's slipping off the pedal. Oh my God! Look at what's going on! What are we doing? Think we can make up the hill in two-wheel drive?
Yeah, I think we got it. Dude, it feels like I pissed like 5 gallons.
You go to the end of the road?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You good?
Dude, heck yeah.
Oh my God.
This thing is drowning me.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, I'm done. When we get back, I'm gonna go
Bro.
inside. Oh yeah, this thing's got a seatbelt. It's better I'm gonna put mine on. I feel safer, you know? Better safe than sorry, they say.
Yo, we're soaked right now.
I know, bro. Oh, dude, mine's like frozen.
I can't even get mine on. Bro, I literally cannot get it on. Well,
See ya. Oh, there, bro. This is not.
there's your bike, bro.
Oh, those Brits back in the day. Oh, God. You want to go down to the cabin or not?
Yeah, we can.
Alright. I don't know if it's the best idea, but...
If you can't make it back up, don't go down.
Well, We can when it's dry. I don't know about when it's wet though.
Okay, let's just back up.
Alright.
Oh my God,
Sure
bro.
we got it. I mean, it's packed down.
All right, YouTube, that's gonna be all for today's video. I hate that I didn't get to really get the car out or even go like look around, but the ice was honestly just so bad that I didn't really even want to take the risk. So maybe if it dries up a little bit more, and then I don't know if we get another like actual snow or something, I doubt it though. We'll get the car out and then just kind of go and have some fun. But with that being said, I got 2 videos coming right now. I figured I'd just go ahead and push this one out because, you know, just with the weather, wanted to have some fun. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate y'all for coming back for another video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and thank you guys for tuning in once again. So I'll see you on the next one, man. Deuces.
Cruise in a spaceship, take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.